Hey guys, Huda here from .comgal.com, and today I'm coming back for a new video. I know I've been away for so long. I'm very sorry about that. It's been a while. It's been about 3 or 4 months. I've been away. I've been busy with some stuff, and that's why I haven't actually uploaded anything over the past couple of months. And I'm back, so that's the good news, and I'm ready to rock for 2020. So which is gonna happen in about 2 weeks. So my video today is what is affiliate marketing for beginners. This is mainly for beginners, but if you're not a beginner and you watch this, I hope you can learn something. Maybe you won't, but it's mainly for beginners because it's a little confusing for people when they get started. They don't know what affiliate marketing is. They don't know how it works. They don't know what an affiliate link is. So today I'm going to explain all of that stuff in this video. So before we get started, I would love to ask you to subscribe to my channel. And once you do, please press the bell button to be the first to know whenever a new video is uploaded. Let's get started. So I've prepared a little mind map here about affiliate marketing. We're going to go through a couple things. So we're going to go through the definition and other things. So affiliate marketing in simple terms is selling somebody else's product for a commission. So let's say you know someone who have a product, whether it could be, whether it is an ebook or a video course or a certain service or any kind of thing that could be actually sold. And you bring a new customer to this vendor, they buy, and then you make some money. The commission could be anything. It could range between a flat rate or revenue sharing. I'm gonna get to that in a minute, but you can make different types of commissions depending on the product and depending on the vendor, on the affiliate program or the affiliate network. So why affiliate marketing? You would probably ask if you're getting started because you see a lot of people selling their own products, and then you would ask, like, why would I sell for someone else and just make half of the money or less than half, while product owners can make all the money? I agree that product creation can be fun, although it's a lot of work and a lot of sleepless nights and a lot of really a lot of work. It's a huge responsibility to launch your product, especially if you're launching a good quality product. Not like these days, unfortunately, but it's a great experience. I've done it before, but to be honest, it's a lot of work. It's too much work, and I really don't think I don't think I'm seeing myself launching any product anytime soon. Maybe sometime next year, but it's something that you would want. It's something that you would want to do maybe once a year or less. Affiliate marketing is the way to go for a lot of people because you don't have to create a product. You don't have to come up with an idea. You don't have to go through all the work that actually goes into creating a product. You don't have to look for affiliates to sell for you. You know, there are so many things that people do when they create a product and launch a product. While when you're an affiliate, you choose an offer that's already converting because you see that it's already selling, and then you sell it to your own audience. And that's why a lot of people go the affiliate marketing route, because it's so easy. And it doesn't cost you any money to become an affiliate, right? So you don't have to spend time and money creating a product. Now, how do you get paid? It's through something that's called an affiliate link, as you can see here. It's called an affiliate link or a tracking link. An affiliate link is a link that the affiliate program or network gives you that is unique to you. Every affiliate has their own link, and this affiliate link has either your name or your username or your ID, which is a bunch of numbers. It's called an affiliate ID, and that's how the program or the network knows that the sale has come through you. So that's what an affiliate link is, and that's how they can track how many sales you've made. Now, most of the affiliate links or tracking links are accurate 99% of the time. However, sometimes it may happen that you could make a sale and it doesn't get registered. It's very rare, but it does happen. So just wanted to make that clear. Now, the next thing I want to go through is affiliate programs versus affiliate networks. This is something that is a little confusing for people who get started. Now, what is an affiliate program? An affiliate program is when a company has one product or a range of products, and they decide to offer a commission to whoever sells their products for them. So when you're selling any of those products, they're actually related to the same company. Let's take the example of Booking.com, which is a website where people can go and book hotels and flights, for example, anything related to vacation, rent a car or whatever. Now, if you become an affiliate of Booking.com, anything that you sell is all related to Booking.com. So you will only be selling their products. An affiliate network, on the other hand, is more like a marketplace where different companies offer their affiliate programs within the affiliate network. Okay? I hope this is not too confusing. So a very good example of a huge affiliate network is ClickBank, which is a network that everybody gets started with. So ClickBank has different offers from different companies that have different products. And each one of these companies, they have their different, affiliate program, but they put it in the network to kind of get more affiliates and other reasons. So that's the difference between an affiliate program and an affiliate network. So another thing we see a lot is affiliate commission. So your affiliate commission is basically the money that you're making when you're making a sale. And the next thing I want to go through is the different types of affiliate programs or networks or commissions. Basically, there are different types of commissions that you can get. So there is the most popular CPS, which is there is the most popular CPS, which is the cost per sale. And that's the most popular thing that you see, like basically when the customer has to actually buy something, they have to pay money to get the product. And that's when you make your commission. Most of the cost per sales commissions are, most of the time, they are a flat rate. For example, let's take an example of a hosting service like Bluehost. When you're an affiliate for Bluehost affiliate program, whenever somebody purchases a hosting service from them or package, you get paid $65. So that's kind of a flat rate. Okay, so the second type is called rev share, which is short for revenue sharing. Basically, the company offers you a share of their revenue when you bring a new customer to them. So let's go back to the example of Booking.com. For example, Booking.com would offer you, let's say, 10%. So they don't give you a flat rate when somebody books a hotel or a flight or whatever other service. They give you a share of their revenue, which means that if your referred customer buys a hotel for 3 nights, you will be paid a certain amount. But if they buy a hotel for 2 weeks, you will be paid more. So the more revenue Booking.com makes, the more money you make as a commission. That's what revenue sharing is. The third type of commissions that you get is called CPA, which is cost per action or acquisition. There are networks that offer that are known as CPA networks. You are still an affiliate, but it's a different type of product. So and within CPA networks, you can find CPS, you can find rev share, and you can find CPL, which is why I actually put CPA here. CPL, or cost per lead, is when you bring a new customer or a potential customer to a company where they don't actually have to buy anything or pay anything for you to make money. An example would be, for example, if I'm an insurance company and I need customers, you as an affiliate refer those people to me, and if they get a free quote or basically something where they don't have to pay any money, for me, it's a lead. It means it's a potential customer in the future. So I give you money for bringing me that lead, which is like a promise of a new customer, potentially, that could become a new customer. So there are some programs like this that are called CPL, like I said, cost per lead. That could be a bank, it could be coupons company, or insurance, credit cards, different types of verticals. And those are the types of commissions that a lot of people get started with when they get started with CPA marketing. I have another video about CPA marketings and what the highest offers that you could get are. You can check it somewhere around the screen. You can see that, and you can watch that if you want to know more about CPA marketing. So basically, this is what it is. This is what affiliate marketing is about, and it's always a good thing to keep in mind that when you want to, recommend a product as an affiliate, always make sure that you are promoting something that you really believe in, that you are using yourself, for example, and that's why you're asking. You're not asking people to buy, but you're recommending. You're giving them an idea. And normally, affiliate marketing should always result in a win-win-win kind of situation. The customer would win because they would get a great product. The vendor would win a new customer, and you would win your commission. So this is how proper affiliate marketing should be done. Unfortunately, we see a lot of people these days who don't really care about the quality of whatever they're trying to sell and basically push people to buy. But unfortunately, this is what the case is these days. I'm not like that. Whenever I actually suggest something, I always recommend whatever I'm already using myself most of the time. Or if I'm not using it, I have a good look at the product, like either get a review copy. I know that it's hard to get a review copy when you get started. So if you can't get a review copy, I would really suggest to buy the product yourself and test it so that you can give a good review about it, because that's how people are going to trust you. But if you're just selling without even knowing what the product is all about, it's only a matter of time before your followers or list of subscribers or whoever your audience just stops trusting you. So it's really important to suggest always promote quality stuff. So this concludes the video today. I really hope that you've learned something new. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Also, if you have something that you're unclear about related to affiliate marketing or blogging, anything that you want me to make a new video about, please don't hesitate. Just write it down. I will be happy to do that if I can cover that topic. I would love to hear that from you as well. So thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.